In 2016, the world's athletes will enjoy the magic of Chicago, where they will compete in the center of the city, in the heart of a nation, becoming the focal point of a global celebration of friendship. The iconic skyline will provide a spectacular setting for sport and festival. Thousands of spectators will cheer on the athletes in the dramatic downtown rowing course at Monroe Harbor. Grant Park will serve as our lakefront celebration site. Olympic and Paralympic marathoners will begin their race at Buckingham Fountain. Archery is right next door. The football finals will be played at historic Soldier Field, host to the 1994 FIFA World Cup. Spectators at Olympic Island will see beach volleyball, whitewater slalom, and the sailing competition from the stands and on the venue video screens. The downtown central cluster is anchored by McCormick Place. The nation's largest convention center will be home to 11 Olympic sports, 8 Paralympic sports, the International Broadcast Center, and Main Press Center. The athletes will live next to beautiful Lake Michigan with their own beach. Training centers for many sports will be just meters from the village. 90% of all venues and training sites will be within 15 minutes of the village and situated in what we are calling the Olympic Ring. To the south along the lake is Jackson Park, the home to Olympic hockey. The historic Midway will come alive as a celebration site with a joyous festival atmosphere that links the lakefront to beautiful Washington Park, where the Olympic Aquatic Center will host 4 disciplines. The sponsor village and the Olympic Club are within walking distance. The centerpiece of Washington Park is the bold, new Olympic Stadium, where spectators will enjoy athletics and ceremonies. Directly to the west is Douglas Park, the home of BMX and track cycling. Road cycling and mountain biking will be held in Madison, Wisconsin. Less than 15 minutes from the village, the United Center will welcome gymnastics, the basketball finals, and the handball finals. The University of Illinois Chicago Pavilion will be host to Olympic boxing. Just outside the Olympic Ring will be shooting, equestrian, and modern pentathlon. Minutes away from the city center is gorgeous Lincoln Park, where the Olympic Tennis Center will be located. The triathlon will start at North Avenue Beach and then wind through the streets of Lincoln Park. Chicago's Olympic venue plan, a spectacular setting that is focused on the athlete, in the center of the city, in the heart of a nation, becoming a shared global celebration of friendship and humanity.